Hello people, how you going? My name is Glenn and today we're going to talk about the INGs. Now, INGs can be applied to verbs to turn it into a gerund. A gerund is a verb that acts like a noun. So, I have this egg. This egg is boiled. So as I'm boiling this egg, the verb to boil becomes a function of a noun, boiling. So you don't say to boiling, you say to boil. So has been turned into a noun or function of a noun by the addition of ing. And also the same can be applied to this coin. So with this coin, to spend this coin, you will be spending it. So you change to spend into spending, which acts like a noun, and it has the same properties of a noun. What else? So you have a pen and to write. So to write is what you do with a pen, and as you're actually writing, it actually functions like a noun. So with any verb, you can just put an ing on it and it turns it into something like a noun. And you can do this with any verb, or most likely a majority of verbs do turn it into a noun function. So what is a noun? A car is a noun, a blanket is a noun. So a noun can identify objects, an egg is a noun, and this pen is a noun. So writing with a pen has the gerund in it and the noun. Eating this egg has the gerund at the start, to eat, and has the noun at the end, which is egg. So if you actually get confused with a verb and how to use it, just type it into the internet, because quite obviously you have the internet if you are watching this video. Because the internet is beautiful. It's a beautiful invention of humanity. You can learn what gerunds are, and you can learn how to use them. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope your English learning experience is awesome.